Hashmap in Python. I want to implement a hashmap in Python. I want to ask a user for an input. Depending on his input, I am retrieving some information from the hashmap. If the user enters a key of the hashmap, I would like to retrieve the corresponding value. How do I implement this functionality in Python?
Python dictionary is a built-in type that supports key-value pairs. It's the nearest built-in data structure relative to Java's hashmap. You can declare a dict with key-value pairs set to values. You can also set a key-value mapping after creation. Another way to create a dictionary is with the dict built-in function, but this only works when your keys are valid identifiers.
All you wanted, at the time the question was originally asked, was a hint. Here's a hint: in Python, you can use dictionaries.
It's built in for Python. See dictionaries. Based on your example, you could then access it like so. Also worth mentioning, it can use any non-mutable data type as a key. That is, it can use a tuple, boolean, or string as a key.
Hash maps are built in Python. They're called dictionaries. Usage. See the documentation for more information, for example built-in methods and so on. They're great, and very common in Python programs, unsurprisingly.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.